Hello everyone! Today we continue to unpack toys, and today we'll continue to unpack a little surprise hair dolls. And this doll says Sally. From previous video, we unpacked this hair doll and we had the ultra rare from the first time. I know I'm going to explode, but don't worry. So today we'll continue unpacking it. And before we start, I just want to introduce to you that there is 15 surprises. There is a mirror, I forgot how it's called, the dress or clothes, her boots, the comb, the clue, the stickers, the bottle, the girl, an accessory, and her table. But let's start. Which one should I choose? I'll choose this one. Let's make them out this way. I love it when they come out like straight away and not like. Okay, let's open the So as you see, the capsule is like turquoise color, one of my favorites. Let's get the other one. Where's the zip to the other one? There it is. Okay, let's put this away. Oh, here's the mirror. Well, this time the mirror is a circle. Let's try to peel it off. Yes. Okay, now I can look at myself in the mirror. But no, that's sad because it's for my doll. Let's put it here. Okay, let's unplug the top bit. Let's open what's inside. This is where the doll will stand. And those are mini chains that you can put over here. So you can lift it up and carry it with you. And it's like a hairspray. Okay. Let's open it. Well guys, this is the collection. This is our doll, which we don't know who it is yet. But by the shape, it looks like this cutie that I would love to have. Because she has roller skaters. And I would really love to have an LOL doll who has roller skaters. Because I have an LOL doll who has ice skaters but doesn't have a roller skaters. So I would love to have her. Okay, let's get the surprises out. Get it out. Oh, here's the clue. It shows pizza and a clock. And the clock shows 4 o'clock. So, oh, snack time, of course. But I already had my snack. Okay, let's open the surprises. Let's start from this one. Oh my god, I can't believe it because this is Look, this is her waitress costume. So cute. And actually, in America, they serve like in those little dresses. The girls, so cute. Let's put it here. And here's the roller skaters. They have mini black wheels, and the roller skaters are like silvery. Let's get the second roller skater out. So cute. Okay, let's open the next one. Oh my! This is that you put on your hair to keep it away. And those are cherries, so cute. This is a hairband full of cubicles. So cute, like a cube, you know, Rubik cube, but this is black and white, like retro. And here's another hairband. And this is another hair clip, also a cherry, so cute. Okay, the normal supplies, let's check. Okay, let's open this one. This is the legendary cheeseburger. So cute, it's so small, and it has this cheese and the bun and everything. It's so cute. I just can't stand it. Let's go over here. This is the cap that the girl wears in the cafe or maybe the restaurant. It's like peach color and the black and white stripes. So cute. Okay, so let's see our girl. So cute. She has those golden locks. So, they're so soft. And she also has a body, a costume. The bottoms are like shorts. They are like olive color and some white spots. And also the top is also this olive color, but the spots are blue and pink. And also she has like the holders, and she has really light eyes and some beautiful lips, and she has so curly hair like Goldilocks. Okay, we need to put clothes on her, so let's get her clothes. And guys, actually it's just so strange because last time I really wanted the ultra rare one and I got it. And this time I really wanted this girl and I got her. So strange. Okay, let's get her people. Here we go. Now let's get her apron and skirt on. Okay, we put it on. She looks already cute. But let's add the legendary roller skaters. This is R for right. And this is L for left. Here we go. She looks so cute already. But let's not forget about her cap. It goes down like this. I just have to turn it away because it's hard to put it. No, it's hard to put it. So for now she will go without it. And here's her burger. Let's get her. Look, she's holding the burger. So cute. Okay, so now in this hairspray bottle, we can put this platform for her to stand on. If I can't put her on. No, it's going to be, I think. Oh no, it's not. I wanted to say it's going to be harder to roller skaters, but it's not. Okay, guys, this is who we had today. Write in comments who if you liked her or not, and also write in comments which one of these would you like to have. Okay, guys, so this is who we had. Subscribe to my channel, put likes, and write comments. See you later.